PPE needed, gloves, equipment needed, squeegee, long handled pad holder, hazard sign and pool water. Place the hazard sign down before you start work. Use the pad holder and scrub the floor. Placing pool water on the floor and giving the floor a good scrub. Pay attention to around the feet. And then squeegee the water and the rubbish away. And then use pad holder to clean the top of the drain as it collects the hair, and then take the hair off the pad. Use a scrubber dryer with pool water in it to clean the rest of the corridors. Simples.